So actually, before you go, do not forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. Let's do a quick analysis for the week on our gold. Let's try and see where our gold would be moving this week. Now, starting with our daily time frame, we can see it here. We are to zoom it out. We are on a downward trend, right? We can see our gold actually giving us that lower lows, lower highs on our daily time frame. Our price has actually been dropping. Now we can see on this week what our price will be. Where we'll be predicting is that our price would actually go bullish to this key level area before maybe probably continue downward or a continue bullish move. We don't know yet, but what we believe is that once our price opens, we would want to see a bull run at least to around 2.22 percentage upward. We would want to see that bullish move to at least 1804. Currently we are trading at 1766. We would want to see our gold go to 1804 before probably our price can retrace downward. Now let's see it. Why this key level is that we can see once our price was actually bearish, right, coming down here, and we saw that for some times our price started ranging within this area here. You can see price came at test, hit this area, bounce up. It also came here to hit this area, serving as our support and resistance area when our price was ranging on the daily time frame. And guess what? Our price broke below it. Once we see that break of when our price actually have that breakout, be it breakouts on our support or on our resistance, we would want to see our price to come back to test that area again. It is exactly what we are getting on our gold. Our price is now running up to actually come and test this area where our price was once a support level, which broke below it. Our price gold is now coming to test that area, so we should actually watch out for it. We would want to see our gold actually go bullish till at least 1804 before we probably might consider going bearish on our gold. So before you actually take our buy, I want you to also know that this is actually an uptrend move. You can see up higher highs, higher lows. You can see another higher highs. We should be very, very careful to actually set our buy now, because sooner or later we will be having a retracement and a continue higher highs again, right? We can see this red, green candle, green candle, green candle. At least we would want to see at least one or two red candle for the day before we consider taking our buy. As we can see, we've actually gone high a bit, so we would want to see that red candle serving as a retracement, then a bullish move on our gold to hit our targets we are expecting for the week. That is on our daily time frame. Now on our 4-hour time frame, by the way, we can see on our 4-hour time frame we are actually higher highs, higher lows. We can see on the 4-hour time frame we are actually on an uptrend move, by the way. So that is a confirmation that we are still going bullish on our Nasdaq and on our gold. By the way, we would want to continue to go bullish on our gold till it hits our targets we are waiting for it to hit, which is about 1804. So that is it on our analysis for the week.